I'm back. Suck on that. It's been a month, a whole month, like 30 days or give or take a day. Having a bunch of tools and nowhere to store them is a problem bigger than Michael Tate's urethra. Folks, here it is in its native habitat, as it were. Because I hear he's got a, he says he's got a big urethra. My giant's humongous big black. My giant, humongous, big black case, my BBC right here, DeWalt. I've got a drawer, a couple drawers here above it. I've got the plate, adapter plate to the T-stack box and another T-stack box on top. The versatility of different eras of tool boxes is unparalleled. I don't care what anybody says. Disregard the magnet. We don't worry about that. It's phenomenal, and you just, bottom line, you can't dispute that. So I defy you to do so. Suck it, really, Milwaukee soy boys. Muy fantastico in the world of BBCs, the big boxes. I'll tell you what. Here you have it. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal, basically. So deal with that, or don't. I don't really care. I'm going to show you just how big a big box can really be. Plate. Look at this, folks. These boxes tend to rock on each other because there's a center clasp. Center clasp, not clasping throughout. But these ones move together because I got these little guys. Little inserts to go into little keyhole spots there. Keeps them from rocking. Pretty cool. Quality rubber wheels. Handle that's easily removable. You just keep.
Fantastic.
Kind of locks open like that. It's pretty cool. Hi. Folks, you can put many items in this box, such as I shall show unto thee right now. Put your propane in there. Tubs of patch in there. You can store your fish tape in there. Extra cords in there. Tape in there. Tape of a different kind in there. More tape in there. Sponges in there. You can put all your wasp and hornet killer in there. You can put your DeWalt drills in there. You can put more cans of propane in there. You can put bicycle tubes in there. Put cheaper bicycle tubes in there. This may sound crazy, but you can put Makita tools in there. More tape in there. You can put screw bits, packages in there. You can put building plans to your house in there. You can put Christmas lights in there. You can put baseball gloves in there. You can put bags of wood in there. I hate my life. You can put the Makita air inflator in there. I hate you. I hate my life. But stay open or I'll. Okay. Okay. It's tied open. Forget about it.
Oh.
How you doing? Put cans of gas in there. Put a propane tank in there. That was loud. You can put recycled cans in there. Democrats can put their panties in there when they get in a bunch because they ain't going their way. your pink file folder holder things in there. You can put the Ryobi tools you bought that you don't want people to know you own in there. Okay folks, let's face it, what started out as what I thought was a funny gag, I just kind of had to dispense with because I'm old and I don't have the energy for that nonsense anymore. This is a serious channel too, so nothing but serious tool content. If you're looking for hilarious antics, look somewhere else. This is serious stuff. Probably one of the best uses if you're out in the shop or the garage or on the job site and you want somewhere to rest. It's a perfect seat. If I can sit on it, I'm pretty sure most people can. Most people can. I'm kind of beefy. Or am I grizzly? I don't know. Grizzly? Is it grizzly or grizzly? I'm a grizzly. Who knows? My pronouns are Mankita, Honey Bear, Sugar Britches, Tool Man, Tool Guy, Tripolar, Expression and Information. Let me tell you, tough system. It stays open sometimes. Tough System 2.0 just keeps getting better and better. They don't have as many boxes as Milwaukee soy boys get to enjoy, but it's nice stuff. It's good stuff. It's convenient. It's black and yellow, which is wonderful. Get it. Just get some. You know. Get the DXL rolling base. Snap your tough system on it. Adapt it to some T-stack. Get the worktop. Get a cooler. Get a bag. It all comes from China. It comes from China. Oh. Quite frankly, all the tools are from China. Oh. Listen, folks. Every year, 256,000 metric tons of serious portion of this video would happen to be like 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome back to Retooling Life. I am Mankita, but I'm a big fan of DeWalt. The rolling toolbox Tough System 2.0. It's convenient, it's good, it's big, it's quality, it's got rubber wheels. It feels really good to roll it around. You can hold a bunch of stuff. I'm putting the things I hardly need in the bottom because I don't need to get to them. I stack toolboxes on top. It is fantastic. And you can do a whole lot worse. So do yourself a favor. Do your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your robot lover a favor and get some of this stuff to help organize your stuff in your garage even. Let alone, you know, on the job site. It's fantastic. But stick it in here, you stack up higher, you save floor space because you're going up instead of out. You know, most Americans, we go out. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's fantastic. I recommend big drawer. Don't listen to me. I recommend big toolbox. Get one of these 2 drawers. Get some of the inserts, little keyhole inserts to keep them from rocking. Get yourself another drawer to stick on top of here. I actually am going to have my neighbors are terrible, by the way. They're all noisy. It sounds like somebody's beating that child. So I've got the adapter plate. Yeah, last time I did point out, yeah, you can do the other stuff over here. Somebody said, hey, what about this side? I know about this side. This side is obvious. Snap it on. Now you can stick your T-stack on there. Nestle it in and snap it on down. Bob's your uncle. You can go to town. Yep. I don't think it gets much better than that. Being able to go up instead of out in your garage, your shop, or wherever, it is fantastic. So take it from me. I'm a tool guy. Or just a tool. I don't know. The other day on a job, someone called me an animal. I think it meant it in a good way. But I was chiseling. I was chiseling the windows, old windows, you know, chiseling with a screwdriver because the chisel was all the way down in the truck. I have to go all the way. Anyway, DeWalt, suck it if you don't think this is good stuff. I defy you to tell me it's not. So there, I think I've rambled on long enough. I'll see you later. Bye.